How to delete Snapchat story. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete your Snapchat story. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. You have to open the Snapchat app, and then you will have to go to your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of the screen, and after that you can see this is your story. So to delete this story you will have to open your story, and after opening your story you will have to tap right here on the three dots, and after that you can see the delete option. So you will have to tap on the delete, and you can see the delete option. So you will have to hit the delete button to delete the story, and after that you can see that your story will disappear. So this is how you can easily delete your Snapchat story. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.